Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am happy that you are here today. I hope you are ready to learn English with me. Today the episode is about how I celebrate the new year. I will use simple words. I will use short sentences. This is a lesson about words, phrases, and simple stories. You will hear how I talk about my celebrations. You will hear phrases that you can use too. You can repeat after me. You can pause the video and repeat any sentence that I say. First, I will tell you the main idea. Then I will give an example of how to introduce yourself. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. After that, I will give more phrases. I will give simple questions and answers. I will give a small monologue about my own new year. I will say things slowly. I will say lines for you to repeat. You can practice by speaking out loud. Let us start with some simple vocabulary words for New Year. I will say the word. Then I will give a short meaning. Then I will use the word in a sentence. New Year. New Year means the first day of the new calendar year. Example sentence. We celebrate the new year with family and friends. Fireworks. Fireworks are bright lights in the sky. People watch fireworks at night. Example sentence. We watch fireworks at midnight. Countdown. A countdown is when we count down the last seconds of the year. Example sentence. We count down from 10 to 1. Party. A party is a fun event with music and food. Example sentence. I go to a party with my friends. Dinner. Dinner is a meal. Example sentence. We eat a nice dinner before midnight. Toast. A toast is when we raise our glasses and say kind words. Example sentence. At midnight we make a toast. Resolution. A resolution is a promise to yourself. Example sentence. My resolution is to learn more English. Midnight. Midnight is the time when the day changes to the new day. Example sentence. Midnight is the time we say Happy New Year. Kiss. A kiss is a small show of love. Example sentence. Some people kiss at midnight. Family. Family are people who are related to you. Example sentence. I celebrate New Year with my family. Friends. Friends are people you like. Example sentence. I celebrate New Year with my friends. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and repeat. I will speak slowly. I will pause sometimes and ask you to repeat. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Hello. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I live in a city. I work and I study. I like to learn new things. I like to travel. I like to meet people. Today I will tell you how I celebrate the new year. I will tell you about food, music, and family. I will tell you about traditions that I like. Now please repeat after me. Hello. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I live in a city. I like to learn new things. Now I will speak a little more about my new year. I will tell a short story. Listen and repeat. You can pause the video and repeat the whole paragraph if you want. Every year I celebrate the new year with my family. We have dinner at our home. My mother cooks. My father helps. We set the table. We put plates, cups, and napkins on the table. We talk and laugh while we eat. We eat a special meal with rice, vegetables, meat, and some sweets. After dinner we clean the table. Then we watch the New Year TV show. We watch music and performances on TV. We also talk about the past year. We say what we learned. We say what we hope for in the new year. Now repeat this line. I celebrate the new year with my family. We have dinner and then we watch music on TV. Now pause the video and repeat the lines. You can do that now. When the time is close to midnight, we get ready. We put our coats on if we go outside. We go to see fireworks if the weather is good. We go to a park or a city place. We meet our friends and neighbors. We count down together. We shout Happy New Year when the clock hits midnight. We hug and kiss. We make a toast with juice or wine. We wish each other good health and peace. Repeat this sentence. We count down together. We shout Happy New Year at midnight. Pause the video and repeat this sentence now if you want. Sometimes we stay home. Sometimes we stay with family. We play games. We sing songs. We tell stories from the old year. We open small gifts. We share sweet food. We take photos. We make a memory book. We say thank you to each other. Now I will give some simple questions and answers. These are good for practice. I will say the question. Then I will say a simple answer. You can repeat the question and the answer. Question 1. How do you celebrate the New Year? Answer. I celebrate the New Year with my family. We eat dinner. We watch fireworks. We say Happy New Year. Question 2. What do you eat on New Year? Answer. We eat a special dinner. We eat many dishes. We eat sweets and fruit. Question 3. Do you make resolutions? Answer. Yes, I make resolutions. I try to learn more English. I try to read more books. I try to exercise more. Question 4. Where do you watch the fireworks? Answer. We watch the fireworks in the park. We watch from our car. We watch from the roof if the weather is good. Question 5. Who do you call on New Year? Answer. I call my family and my close friends. I send messages to people I care about. Now repeat the first question and answer. How do you celebrate the New Year? I celebrate the New Year with my family. We eat dinner, we watch fireworks, we say Happy New Year. Now I will teach some useful phrases for the New Year. I will say the phrase. Then I will give a short example. Repeat after me. Happy New Year. Use this to wish someone a good year. Example. Happy New Year, my friend. I wish you a Happy New Year. This is a polite phrase. Example. I wish you a Happy New Year and good health. Best wishes for the New Year. This is a formal phrase. Example. Best wishes for the New Year from my family. May the New Year bring you joy. This is a kind wish. Example. May the New Year bring you joy and peace. Good luck in the New Year. This is a short wish. Example. Good luck in the New Year with your work and studies. Now repeat these phrases. Happy New Year. I wish you a Happy New Year. Best wishes for the New Year. May the New Year bring you joy. Good luck in the New Year. Now I will give a small practice conversation. This is a simple dialogue. I will say one line. Then I will say the other line. You can speak both parts if you want. Or you can listen and repeat. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. How do you plan to celebrate the New Year? I will celebrate with my family. We will have dinner and watch fireworks. That sounds nice. Will you make a toast? Yes, we will make a toast at midnight. I wish you a Happy New Year. Thank you, I wish you a Happy New Year too. Now repeat the conversation. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. How do you plan to celebrate the New Year? I will celebrate with my family. We will have dinner and watch fireworks. That sounds nice. Will you make a toast? Yes, we will make a toast at midnight. I wish you a Happy New Year. Thank you, I wish you a Happy New Year too. Pause the video now if you want to practice the full conversation. You can say each line slowly. You can say both parts. You can record your voice and listen. Next, I will give tips for speaking about your new year. These tips will help you make a short story. You can use simple sentences. You can use the past for what you did. You can use the future for what you will do. Use words like last year, this year, next year, tomorrow, soon, later. Tip 1. Start with a short sentence. Say who you were with. Example. I was with my family. Tip 2. Say what you did. Use simple verbs like eat, watch, go, meet, celebrate. Example. We ate dinner. We watched fireworks. Tip 3. Say the time. Use words like at midnight, at night, in the evening. Example. At midnight we hugged. Tip 4. Say what you felt. Use words like happy, tired, excited, thankful. Example. I felt happy and thankful. Tip 5. Say one plan for the new year. Use I will or I want to. Example. I will learn a new skill. I want to travel more. Now make a short story with these tips. I will make a short story now. Listen and repeat. Last year I celebrated the new year with my family. We had a big dinner at home. We watched a music show on TV. We went outside to see fireworks. We counted down at the city square. At midnight we hugged and said Happy New Year. I felt happy and grateful. This year I will make a new resolution. I will study English every day. I will practice speaking with friends. Repeat the short story. Last year I celebrated the new year with my family. We had a big dinner. We watched a music show on TV. We went outside to see fireworks. We counted down at the city square. At midnight we hugged and said Happy New Year. I felt happy and grateful. This year I will make a new resolution. I will study English every day. Now I will give more useful verbs and words for your story. Repeat after me. Celebrate. We celebrate the new year. Watch. We watch the fireworks. Count. We count from 10 to 1. Hug. We hug each other. Kiss. We kiss at midnight. Eat. We eat a special meal. Drink. We drink juice or wine. Sing. We sing songs. Dance. We dance at the party. Visit. We visit friends and family. Call. We call people on the phone. Wish. We wish good things for others. Promise. We promise to do better. Start. We start a new year with hope. Now say a long practice line. I celebrate the new year with my family. We eat a big dinner. We count down at midnight. We watch fireworks. We make a toast. We sing and dance. We say our resolutions. Pause the video and say this practice line 3 times. You can do that now. Now I will give a short lesson on small talk for New Year. These are simple lines you can use with people. Use them to start a conversation. Line 1. Happy New Year. How are you? Line 2. What did you do for New Year? Line 3. How did you celebrate? Line 4. Did you make any resolutions? Line 5. What is your wish for the new year? Now I will give sample answers. Repeat them after me. Answer 1. Happy New Year. I am fine, thank you. I am happy. Answer 2. I spent time with family. We had dinner at home. Answer 3. I watched the fireworks with my friends. Answer 4. Yes, I made a resolution to read more. Answer 5. My wish is to be healthy and to learn new things. Now practice a full short talk. I will say the lines slowly. You can repeat each line. Happy New Year, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What did you do for New Year? I spent time with family. We ate dinner and watched fireworks. Did you make any resolutions? Yes, I will study more. That is a good plan. I wish you a happy and healthy year. Now pause the video if you want to practice this short talk. Repeat each line twice. Before we finish, I will give a longer paragraph about my favorite New Year memory. Listen and repeat slowly. When I was a child, I went to my grandparents' house. We all slept in one big room. We sat near the window. We saw many fireworks. The sky was full of color. I felt warm and safe. My grandparents told me stories about their childhood. We ate small sweets and drank hot tea. At midnight, we hugged each other. My grandmother said a kind wish. This memory is special to me. It makes me smile when I think about it. Repeat this memory piece. When I was a child, I went to my grandparents' house. We all slept in one big room. We sat near the window. We saw many fireworks. The sky was full of color. I felt warm and safe. My grandparents told me stories about their childhood. We ate small sweets and drank hot tea. At midnight we hugged each other. My grandmother said a kind wish. This memory is special to me. Now some quick practice tips you can use anytime. Tip 1. Speak slowly. Tip 2. Use short sentences. Tip 3. Use simple words. Tip 4. Repeat lines out loud. Tip 5. Practice with a friend or a teacher. Tip 6. Record your voice and listen. Tip 7. Do not worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Keep practicing and you will improve. You can pause the video now and practice all lines from the start to this point. You can speak slowly. You can repeat every line 3 times. You can record yourself. You can listen and correct your pronunciation. Now one last practice section before we end. I will say a full short script about how I celebrate the new year. You will hear many lines that you learned. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I celebrate the new year with my family. We have a big dinner at home. We eat many dishes and some sweets. We clean the table and get ready for the night. We watch a music show on TV. We go outside to see fireworks if the weather is good. We count down from 10 to 1. At midnight we shout Happy New Year. We hug and kiss. We make a toast and wish each other health and peace. We tell stories about the old year. We make plans for the new year. I make a resolution to study English more. I will practice speaking every day. I will read more books. I will try to be kind and patient. I feel happy and thankful at New Year. Repeat the full short script now. You can say each sentence. You can say the full script 3 times. This will help your speaking and memory. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.